Got it here, 3 very cool desk toys. So you set this up, you can just blow over here and I can't believe how strong it is. The only friction you has is that little tip at the end over there. You see it? You don't want to move it too much whenever it's spinning that well. And you got right here whole bunch of neodymium magnets, and on the bottom over here too. And I think there's some kind of coil inside of it. Levitating, like propeller engine type of deal. It's beautiful. It is fun to look at. And as you can see, if you blow it really hard, it will spin for a very long time. And that's just awesome. So, and on top of it, it levitates too, kind of. The only touching end is over here. Oops. You don't want to move it as much, but if you're not like spinning it, it's actually quite movable. Look at that, it still levitates. There you go. One more time. Awesome. Check this out. This one even says stress relief. Okay, let's see what this desk toy is all about. Okay, this is looks like a magnetic platform with this little metal pieces inside here, chips and cards. Oh wow, look at that. It's so unique how it just stuck to it sideways. Let me know in comments below, why does that get stuck sideways? Ooh, it's stoned. Wow. There you go, you could kind of build it up slowly. Nope, not the cube. Wow, that's interesting. What about cube? Nope, cube's gonna fall. So you can build a little sculpture over here. Interesting how I just wanna fall sometimes. Whoops. So I guess you can play with this and enjoy yourself and relieve some stress. Nope, not the cubic cubes, whatever, the dice cubes I mean, they don't wanna build up. But there you go, that's pretty tall. So yeah, you can build it up, you can all crush it again, grab it, build it up again. Very strange little stress relieving gadget over here. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? And for the last one, we have here magnetic kit. Comes with a magnet, display like that, and display like that. So a little demonstration magnetic field. Shake it up, just like a snowball, drop it. It's kind of fun to look at. You see how all these things are curving inside there? Shake it up. Boom. That's pretty awesome. So obviously you can use it to teach kids, but also it's pretty satisfying to look at and play with. And whenever you touch the magnet, you see how everything goes towards the magnet, kind of like sideways. Shake it up again, see what happens. So cool.